Hey folks, yeah, good morning. Right now I am here at Goa and I am fashion blogger, fashion enthusiast. I am the trainer in luxury fashion and retail business. So today the short video addresses about the travel uh, history of Goa, and right now I am here at the hotel, as you see here, Hotel Sulmar. Me and my crew member Sandeep is here, and we are having a lot of fun. This is the day 3 of Goa, hashtag Goa tourism, hashtag India tourism, and hashtag exotic beaches and all that. And today there is an interesting thing which I want to communicate with you guys about the hotel Solmar and their services. It's one of the top-notch hotels near Miramar Beach. There's a place called Miramar Beach. It's at Goa. And today I will be taking you to this journey through this hotel, and we'll see how the service staff, employees over here are working here, and we'll learn. Uh, we try to learn a lot many things. So please join with me. Yeah. You can just see this is the entrance where there is a car parking area here. This is the place, and it's ample parking space you have, right? And when you just get in, this is the entrance. You can see here. Entrance. And you can see this is the building, entire building over here. You can see. And so I'm entering inside. Are you guys excited? Yeah. Yes, I am very much excited because I'm ecstatic over here and to learn more about it, about this particular restaurant and hotel over here. Namaste ji. Good morning guys. Good morning. So we are here today to showcase your services the entire country and the world about hotel Solma. And in fact, my experience stayed here from yesterday evening till now. It's a superb experience. Food was fabulous and services good. Yes, employees are really good about it. So आप कुछ बता सकते हैं? Can you say something about this hotel? कुछ बताइए, हिंदी में बता सकते हैं? No problem.
हमारा होटल सोलमार होटल है। ये अच्छा होटल है, पणजी सिटी में है। यहाँ बहुत कस्टमर आता है, गेस्ट लोग आते हैं, हम लोग अच्छा सर्विस देते हैं। 54 रूम्स है हमारा, सिक्स कैटेगरी की है। ये इसमें है स्वीट रूम है, फैमिली रूम है, एग्जीक्यूटिव रूम, प्रीमियम रूम है, स्टैंडर्ड रूम है।
सर ये होटल कितने साल से है?
और आई थिंक बहुत पुराना है, 20 साल तक रहेगा। स्विमिंग पूल भी है हमारे इस रेस्टोरेंट में।
So guys, this is the view provided by the employees over here. I appreciate their thoughts and their viewpoints. So now we just get into a dining area. Let's have a look, a jhalak look at this dining area, which is maintained very clean and the perfect balance of South Indian food and Indian food, especially chole bhature, which is my favorite. And so all kinds of categories food is available over here. And let us have a word with staff over here, employees. So, आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम श्रद्धा है। मैं नेपाल से हूँ। मैं इधर काम करती हूँ
2 साल हो गए। आप कुछ इस होटल में खास चीज़ क्या है? समथिंग यूनिक फीचर्स हैं?
हमारा ज़्यादा करके खाने के वजह से टेस्ट आता है। हमारे में खाने का टेस्ट
So this is the counter where all these are the products which they sell. The people who are interested, can just use it because even people are having nice food, enjoying over here, and this is the places, the food menu which is arranged. This helps. They do provide service here, and you can see, for example, Solmar cornflakes over here. You can just see, and they kept it, the bread over here, and the butter, the so-called Amul brand. So fruits which are, garnished in a right way, in fact, and other example you can see this chole bhature, and chole, you know what is, right guys? Chole bhature जो कंज्यूम करते हैं ना नॉर्थ इंडिया में हर जगह पे यूज़ करते हैं. ये शीरा करके और ये काउंटर साउथ इंडियन डोसा इज नोन फॉर प्लेन डोसा, अनियन डोसा, सॉरी अनियन उत्तपम, ये सब चीज़ें. सर आप कुछ बता सकते हैं होटल के बारे में? आप कितने साल से काम कर रहे हैं, क्या कहाँ से? हाँ वो विपुल तो उधर ही थे. थैंक यू जी, थैंक यू. हाँ. So now guys, this is the dining area, and now guys just we have a look at the swimming pool over here. Swimming pool, you can just see it's beautiful and it's amazing. This is the area where it covers swimming pool, and this is just a leisure. People come over here. You can see small coconut trees here, and this is lush greenery. It's like lush greenery which you can relax here. This hotel, I think I prefer you guys, anybody who visits Goa, especially near Miramir region, can visit this. Interesting. And you can just have a look at those beautiful scenery on the backside. You can see that is the coconut trees around. And they have maintained well this particular washroom, which is maintained very well. Just I try to get involved in water and just see how it is. So this is the area where we can get inside here. Well, you can see the well maintained there. So guys, I hope you are excited, right? You have got some interesting thing in Goa. Anybody who are visiting this particular place, Goa, Hotel Solmar is one of the choice, which is my preferred choice. So you can visit this hotel anytime when you come down to Goa, when you just head on this particular place, Miramir Beach. It's nearby Miramir Beach, and locations is obviously Google Maps will provide you and all that. So that's about it, guys. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, Hemant Trend, and visit my website hemanttrend.in, hemanttrend.in, which I'll be posting it in my YouTube channel. So have happy learning, and let's rock. And tourism is trending today, across the globe. And yeah, it's a lavish place to stay. It's a leisure place, I would say. Yeah. So again, just a jhalak. So dosto, namaste, sat sri akal, kem cho, and hello to everybody who are watching this particular video. And just try to explore it. Yeah. So I'll be posting it in my YouTube channel and also in my website. So happy learning, guys. Have fun. Bye bye. Thank you.